Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS for Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the lock, basically. And to lock the touchscreen, simply tap on this icon, and as you can see now, the touchscreen is locked. This is useful, for example, when you try to take a shower with your watch on, swim with the watch on, or go to sleep with the watch on. Because when the touchscreen is locked, it will prevent the mistouches on the screen. For example, under the shower, when the water is running on the screen, or when you're sleeping and basically moving around with your watch on. And if you want to unlock the touchscreen, simply press and hold the side button until you see unlock message on the screen. And now we can use the touchscreen again. And that's how you lock the touchscreen on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.